So you guys see the door. I don't know what happened. So yeah, so I'm gonna be replacing 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So these are the brand new pieces I got here. They come like this in the box, and they come in blank, so you have to drill the hole yourself. So that's the technical part right there. I have to drill the hole myself. I ordered brand new rotors and everything. You guys can see that rotor is kind of coming out. I ordered brand new rotors for everything. So it's gonna be an all-day work. But yeah, I'll be able to show you guys after I'm done, because I'm all by myself. I'm gonna need a second hand to hold stuff, and there won't be a third one to hold camera, not like that. I just want to tell you guys, if you got stuff like this, go to the trader repair shop or whatever, and just tell them you order, you need to order those pieces and do it yourself. Save yourself some money. So I got this from my landlord, the guy that owned this property where I parked the truck, and it's a little rusty, so I'm gonna put the blanket on it. I use that to lay the thing on it in order to draw that, so I don't draw through my my floor, right? All right, so this is what I am so far. Last night I was able to put 1, 2, 3 pieces on. You guys can see everything here is brand new. I wasn't able to get this bowl. All right, I had to go Home Depot to get all of these myself. So what I do when I put it on and then I cut it, it's easy to kind of break it and something like that. So that's what I got going on right now, and I need these other 2 pieces here, and my project will be done. Yeah, I'm doing it all by myself. So like I said, last night I wasn't able to finish it. The reason to that is that I had to go to get more of these right here. For the fact that I thought I was going to be able to use some of the old one on the old door, but the way they actually mount that on the door, you guys can see here, I have to cut it. There ain't no way you can use any tools but cutting it. So everything you see here, I have to cut them out, which make my job really hard. So yeah, that's what I got going on. I'm about to finish it up. I got a bunch of fingerprints because all the gloves that I have, they're pretty dirty, but that's not a big issue for me. I got a spray paint, a white spray paint. When I'm done, I will spray paint all of these and make it look nice for inside and outside, and put some clear coat. The clear coat will also prevent the dirt from sticking on the door, like when it's raining and things like that. And that's it, I'll be done soon. Like I said, the bottom piece is still good. It look dirty, but when I'm doing a spray paint, I'll be able to spray paint everything. I will get back to you guys when I'm finished, because I have to finish this really quick and then go get my my load to go to Texas today. It's a busy day for me. So I'm done. You guys can see here, these are the new pieces from here all the way up there. I'm pretty late right now to go get my load from my brokers, so when I come back, I'll be able to clean it and do some paint job, so you don't see the these washer and stuff like that. But I'm pretty late right now. I just wanted to show you guys before I leave the area, but I think it looked great to me. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces I replaced, so everything looks good. When I come back, once again, I'm gonna wipe everything. I got some fingerprint everywhere and kind of do some paint job. It's your boy from Africa, man. It's a tough season right now, so learn how to do some DIY on your own. This is kind of like an all-day job. The only help that I can get is my wife to help me hold some stuff, which is not a female job. At the end of the day, it's the family hustle, right? So we all have to step in and make it happen. You guys look at my clothes. It's pretty dirty, huh? Yeah, man, it's a DIY. So let's take another look at this. Like, once I come back later, I'll be able to do the paint job and everything. For some reason, those two big pieces out there, they look shiny from the outside because it's a different material or something. I don't know. And then these three little pieces, these are 11 inches, the three pieces, and then the big one are 15 inches. So, but everything looks really nice to me for something that I did on my own. And once I able to do the paint and put some clear coat, so the paint will be able to bury this. All of these going to be white color. You're not going to be able to see that. And that's it. Other than that, it looking good to me, man. Boy from Africa, I got to go get my broker low. I'm pretty late right now. He's working with me. I told him I was going to be late because something wrong with the door. So, yeah. I will catch you guys later. Peace and love.